How to find your Discord ID on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can find our Discord ID using our mobile phone. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to find a Discord ID using a mobile device, you need to first download the Discord application onto your device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. Simply go there and download it. After that, you just need to log in into your account using your username and password. After doing so, you can see this kind of interface on my profile. When I click on View option here, you can see, so here I want you to scroll down until you see advanced option. Just tap on advanced and make sure you have turned this developer mode on. So after that, get back here. I just want you to go on one of the chats to see your own profile's ID. So go to your home page. So here, go to messages. Here, after going to messages, just tap on your chat. After tapping on it, if you have chatted with that person, simply tap on your profile here. I'm going to tap on my profile. After that, simply tap on this three dot, and here you will be able to see copy username and copy user ID. So simply tap on copy user ID. After tapping on it, get back here and just paste it here. And you can see this is your user ID of your Discord. So this is the user ID of my Discord right now, right here. And just like that, you can also find your Discord ID easily using your mobile device. So just follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.